Hi, I'm Gordon Marley, President of Dry Ice Works. We're here in the heart of the Motor City, Detroit, Michigan, at the world-class convention center, Cobo Center, for the 2019 North American International Auto Show. We were asked to come in and clean escalators in preparation for the auto show. Let's go inside. I'm sure most people that are watching this video are familiar with escalators. They've either ridden escalators or possibly even been scared of riding the escalators. Over 245 million people ride escalators daily. Facilities such as Cobo Center take maintaining them very seriously. We're here to clean them up. They'll look nicer and they'll function better. Let's take a look outside and see what we've got going on. On this project, we had 5 crew members on site for 3 days, and we utilized 3 blast machines, which allowed us to clean 4 escalators, or just shy of 300 steps. In this instance, the escalators were disassembled for maintenance, allowing us to clean the top of the stair and the underside. However, they can certainly be cleaned in place. A great benefit about dry ice cleaning is the fact that there is no secondary waste created like you would have with grit media, such as sandblasting or soda blasting. This video is another example of how Dry Ice Works can help you keep your facility clean and functioning properly. For more information, please visit dryiceworks.com or call us at 800-451-8684. We look forward to speaking with you.